Okay guys, we have reached to part 21 of the series how to create an epic Discord server for our YouTube channel, and right now I am focusing on community. So I'm going to make another community channel. This time it's going to be important important news, and this is very important, my friends, because our goal is to get these guys, our members, as engaged as possible. News regard latest breaking news. And what you can do guys is if you cannot have a moderator or yourself active in this, you can set up a subreddit, news related subreddit in this using the Me6 bot, or maybe some if you are tweeting you can yes, the news related subreddit bot for this news, and it will really help the engagement. But I would prefer that you selectively just once or 3-4 times a week just add something over here, let community members participate in this as well. So guys, part 21 is complete. See you back in part 22. Stay tuned guys.